Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mini. In this video I will be sharing with you guys the way I do my scalp massage to promote hair growth. I have been doing this scalp massage for years now and it has helped me a lot with growing my hair. So in this video with the scalp massage we will target releasing stress and anxiety. As we all know, stress is a big hurdle in the process of hair growth and it is also harmful for your overall health as well. And we all live stressful lives now. So do the scalp massage once or twice a week, minimum once a week. Pick whatever day or whatever time suits you. It's totally up to you. And do the scalp massage. So before we begin with the scalp massage, we need to set our environment. So light up some scented candles or your favorite incense, because smell can also help to de-stress. Make sure your atmosphere is calm and quiet and there is no background music. You can add a little bit of background music, whatever music helps you de-stress. It can be meditation music or it can be subliminals. It's up to you, because different kind of music helps different people to de-stress. And before we start the scalp massage, we need to comb our hair and make sure it's totally tangle free, so that while we do the scalp massage our hair doesn't get tangled. And then we are ready to begin. So let's begin now. Look straight and sit up straight. Take your left hand and place it on top of your head. Now take a little bit of oil in your right hand and put it right there where your left hand was, and hold it there in place for a couple of minutes. Let the oil get soaked in your scalp. So for scalp massage, Ayurveda says to use sesame oil. Ayurveda says sesame oil is the best, but you can use whatever oil you want to. And for the scalp massage we will be using the tip of our fingers only. So take whatever oil you are using and rub it between your fingers. Now take your hands to the top of your head and move your fingers in circular motion. Make sure that both your hands are moving in the same direction. Massaging your hair in a particular direction helps to improve blood circulation to your scalp. So we will be using circular motion only to massage our scalp. I am using bringraj oil. You can use any other oil with hair growth benefit or some different kind of oil as well. Do it for 5 minutes. Again take a little bit of oil between your fingers, and this time we will go from our hair parting to our ears. So place your fingers on top of your head and move them in circular motion while going downwards. While you are doing the scalp massage, remember not to put any excess pressure on your scalp. Do it for 5 minutes. Remember to cover the whole entire front portion of your head. Next, now we will go from our ears to the top of our head. So this is exactly the opposite direction which we did right before. So start from your ears and go all the way to the top of your head. And remember to move your fingers in circular motions. Now let's move on to the back of our head. So starting from the top of our head, gently move to your neck. Now Ayurveda says a complete scalp massage includes massaging your neck, your shoulder, scalp, ear and your forehead. If you have neck or shoulder pain, you can massage them as well while massaging your scalp. Move your fingers in circular motions. Next, start from your neck and go all the way up to the top of your head. So this is also the opposite direction which we did before. Keep your mind calm and try to relax. While doing our scalp massage, we often forget to massage this portion. So start from the back of your ear and go all the way to the top. Massaging this portion can help you get rid of headaches. You can also include the inversion method with your scalp massage, but remember to do the inversion method only once in a month. Once a month is more than enough. Some people say to do it every time you massage your scalp or to keep your head hanging from your bed while you sleep, but that can cause you harm rather than benefit, because our head is at the top of our body and our body is habituated with that. By bending our head upside down, we trigger our body to flow more blood to our scalp, which is a good thing and which can help you to grow your hair if it is done once in a while. But doing it every time you do a scalp massage or every time you lay on your bed can put pressure on your head and can cause you neck pain, shoulder pain, headache or some other bigger damage if done in long time. So I would highly recommend, don't do the inversion method every time you massage your scalp. Doing it once in a month is more than enough. Now when you are done massaging the oil to your hair, take your index finger and wrap a lock of your hair around your index finger and gently pull that lock. By pulling your hair like so, you are encouraging your hair cells to produce more hair, and this technique also helps to de-stress in an odd way for sure, but it does. So that was it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also let me know in the comments down below what massaging technique and what hair oil works for your hair type. And also let me know if you have any other video request or any other video that you want me to do. And that was it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video.